In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can start making money by snapping pictures. There are a lot of silly ways people use to make money online, and some examples of this is that some people dance to make money online, some people talk to make money online, some people play video games to make money online. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually make money by snapping pictures, because there are so many people out there who have passion for snapping. Whenever they see insect, they snap it. Whenever they see the sunset, they snap it. Whenever they see fancy cars moving around them, they snap them. So why can't you just make money with your passion? If you are this kind of person, I would advise that you see this video unto the end, because the number one website that I'm going to show you in this video, most important one to make money online by snapping pictures. So better stay and see this video unto the end. Now, the first thing you are going to do as somebody who wants to make money online by taking pictures is for you to get ideas of pictures you want to take. Alright, for this, what you are going to go to Pinterest. Alright, so we are going to search Pinterest, and then we go into the website just as you are seeing on the screen right now. Now this is Pinterest. You are going to sign up here and everything. Alright, so let's quickly do that right now. Alright, I have registered an account on this website, and as you can see, this is what this website looks like. It is a hub for pictures. You can get different ideas of pictures you want to take for yourself from this place. Now, for the sake of this video, because this video is a demonstration to how you can do this by yourself, right? So we are just going to enter the search bar and we are just going to search greenery, and just like that. Now, if you are based in Africa, I understand that we have a lot of greeneries than the people out there, the people who are not based in Africa. Now, if you have a lot of greenery around you, you could just take beautiful pictures like this one, like this very one here right now. You can see this. You could take pictures like this. You could take pictures of the sunset. Let us search sunsets. Please make sure that these are your own pictures. You do not generate them with AI. You do not steal them from this place or any other website. You are snapping them by yourself. As you can see, these beautiful type of pictures, these pictures by the beach, you can go to let us search Lagos Church. You know, Lagos is the city in Nigeria, right? So Lagos Church, let's search that. There's a beautiful church in Lagos. Yes, this church, this very church. As you can see, somebody took this picture, and this is the same church but different angle. Another person took this church, and as you can see again, this is the same church, another angle. Another person took this picture. As you can see again, this is the same church from another angle. As you can see, this is the same church from another angle taken by another person. You get the idea right now. You take a beautiful pictures. You come here, look for an inspiration for pictures you can take. You can even go to the market square. This is a garage, for example. These are downfalls. Garage in Lagos. These are downfalls. Now, you go to a beautiful place that you know that when you snap it, it will come out beautifully. Now, after you've taken a picture using these samples, you can now come to Canva. Let's go to Canva right now. Now you come to Canva. Canva is an application whereby you use to edit pictures or you use them to edit video. If you do not know how to use Canva, maybe you are the type that knows how to use Photoshop. Now you can download Photoshop to your phone. Alright, because of the sake of this video, I don't want this video to become so unnecessarily long. I will not be downloading Photoshop. Alright, but I am a person who likes to use Canva because Canva is web-based. I do not have to download the application. I can just access Canva with my phone, with my tab, with my laptop, anywhere I am. In as much as I have access to the internet, I can access Canva. Now, you can either use Canva or use Photoshop, or if you know that you are not good with editing, you can actually use Gemini to edit your pictures. Just give it a good prompt, something like, I am a person who wants to sell my picture online, and I've just taken the picture via my camera, so I need you to edit this picture and make it very cinematic, realistic, and professional, so that when people sees, let's delete that, people sees this picture, they are going to want to buy it. Now, use a prompt as this. It is not necessary that you use this type of prompt, but you can use a prompt fashioned in the same way as this. Alright, now you are going to have a final result. Now let us test this. Let's test it out. So I'm just going to come here. Please remember that this is for the sake of demonstration. Alright, so do not use another person's work. Make sure you are using your own type of work. Alright, so let us just download this image. Alright, now we have the image, and we are just going to come to Gemini. We are just going to upload it. Okay guys, I am sincerely sorry for the break in transmission. I got a bad network, so I decided to do it all over again. And alright, so this is where we were. Right now I am no longer using Gemini, I am using ChatGPT. Now as you can see, I gave it the same prompts, the one I was using on Gemini, and I gave it the same picture. Alright, and see what it brought for us. If you see, compare this picture and this picture, you will see that there is a level of editing. ChatGPT edited this picture into this picture, and as you can see, this is somewhat more light, and this is somewhat more darker and more cinematic in nature. So if you don't know how to edit, after you've taken a fancy, beautiful picture, ChatGPT can actually help you to make it cinematic. Now, after you've gotten a cinematic picture, you are going to want to search this website, and I want you to pay attention to this because this is the most important thing. And before I go on with this website, I must make you understand that this website is a global website. This means that you can do this from anywhere that you are in the world, in as much as you are accepted, because they are going to review your pictures. They are going to make sure that your pictures are not AI generated. They are going to make sure that you are snapping a good and beautiful picture before you are hired by this website. Now, what is the name of this website? It is iStock, and this is how you are going to search it. iStock contributor. Now, when you go to, let's say you came to only iStock without adding the word contributor, this is where you will come to, and you can see that in this place you have pictures, you have videos, you have illustrators, you have vector. These are places that people come to buy pictures, right? We have many YouTubers, we have many graphics designers, we have many companies that need a picture or the other for their project. They just come in here and they buy the picture. All right, for example, let us search, let's put it to images and search a woman staring, yes, at the sun. A person who needs this picture will actually see something like this, and the person will immediately buy it. You will see something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this, and the person will immediately buy it. And when you buy this, for example, you buy this picture, it goes directly to the person who created this picture by the name Lord Aaron Voton. Can you see it now? As you can see, continue with purchase. You can see this picture is going for £6. Right? When you buy this picture is yours. You can do whatever you want with this picture because they are giving you the free will to do whatever you want with this picture, either to make money with it or to do something else entirely with this picture. Now, for you to be a contributor, for you to be able to upload this kind of picture, you have to come to iStock Contributor. Now, when you come to iStock Contributor, you get inside. They are going to make sure to cross-check your picture. And how do you go about it? Let us read what we have on the screen. Put your creativity to work. Join a creative community where top brands, global media, and leading advertising agency can see your content. Earn money every time they license one of your images, videos, or illustrations. Alright, now what are they going to offer you? You are going to get seen. This means that your work will be on their platform, and their platform have millions of users, and you are going to unlock opportunities. This means that you are going to share your creativity with customers from almost every country in the world. Alright, now you are going to create impact. This means a brand and business tell inspiring stories with authentic, include visuals. Alright, now how does it work? This is what you are going to do. You are going to create the images by how I have shown you before. Get inspiration on how to snap and what to snap. When you have done that, you create it, you snap them, and then you take it to this website, you upload. As you can see, they write it here. Then upload your original content to our website. Now, customers can now find your file when they match their search. Alright. If customers love what they see, they will buy a license to use your content and you will get paid. It could show up on book covers, billboards, social media, website, TV, and films almost everywhere. Alright, so what are the contents we are looking for? You are going to make sure that you pay attention to every details they write on this website, because when you get it wrong, you are not going to get hired by this website. Now, the content they are looking for: find inspiration from our favorite images, videos, and illustrations below. These are for guidance only. Our customers are looking for your original content, not created or modified with generative AI. Can you see? You are not to generate AI content. They do not want it. They want original content. Alright? Original what? Original content. Alright? Now, how to apply? Create image. Create imagery. You want to see your best original content, like we've said this before. Now, upload content. Upload 6 non-AI sample photos or illustrations or videos using the link below. You must be the copyright holder. You must not steal another person's work. This will make them terminate you if you do that. Alright, now you are going to get reviewed. As you can see in the step number 3, you are going to be reviewed. We will review your samples and let you know via email if you have been accepted. If you are successful, we will offer you a non-exclusive agreement to get you started. This means that they can upgrade you to an exclusive agreement. But for you to get started, you are going to get started with a non-exclusive agreement. And then by the 4th step is that you accept the invite. Follow the link in your email invitation to complete enrollment. Later, you get applied to be exclusive to get higher royalty rates and reward. As you can see this, I have said this before. Alright, there are other ways to work with them, but for the sake of this video, we are sticking with how you can make money via via snapping pictures. All right, you are going to read all of this to get information, and then you click on the apply button right here, and this is what you are going to find inside. You sign in and you do everything that you need to do. If you like content like this, I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to comment what type of skill you have, and you want me, and you are asking me how you are going to make money with it. I am going to make very adequate research personally for you, and I'm going to share you with a video of how you can start making money with your skill. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video so that other people who needs this video can get to see it too. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out.